Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can get Cloudflare API key. So first of all, let me go on official website cloudflare.com, and now let me log in. Here I need to add username and password. So let me add email, then add password, and after that I need to complete this captcha for the human verification. Then click on login button and then scroll down. So let me select this website. Now again scroll down. Here you can see API key. Now you can simply click here, get your API token. And then you can also create a new token. Scroll down. To get global API key, you can simply click here view, then add password, then click on view button. So now the final step is click on view button, and now you can use this API key in your website and anywhere.